Welcome to our video on the best travel-friendly car seats for babies. If you're a parent or caregiver, you know how important it is to keep your little one safe and comfortable while on the move. In this video, we'll explore the top car seat options specifically designed for hassle-free travel. Whether you're going on a family vacation or simply running errands, having a travel-friendly car seat can make a world of difference. We'll dive into the key features, safety aspects, and user reviews of the best car seat models available. So, let's buckle up and embark on this exciting journey. When it comes to choosing a travel-friendly car seat for your little one, there are several key criteria to consider. First, compactness is essential as it allows for easy transportation and storage. Weight is another factor to keep in mind since you'll likely be carrying it around. The ease of installation is crucial to ensure a hassle-free setup, especially when you're on the go. And of course, safety features should be a top priority to protect your baby during travel. In this scene, we'll explore these important criteria in detail, helping you make an informed decision for your child's comfort and security. In this scene, we'll take a closer look at car seat model A, one of the top choices for travel-friendly car seats. Its lightweight design makes it incredibly convenient to carry around, whether you're hopping on a plane or taking a road trip. The easy installation mechanism ensures that you can quickly and securely install it in your vehicle without any hassle. And when it's time to hit the road, you'll love its compact size when folded, allowing you to save space and have more room for other essentials. Let's dive into the amazing features of car seat model A and discover why it's a fantastic choice for your little one. In this scene, we'll explore the impressive features of car seat model B, another top-notch option for traveling with babies. One standout feature is its FAA approval, allowing you to use it on airplanes and ensuring a secure and comfortable journey for your little one. The adjustable recline positions provide optimal comfort and support, allowing your baby to relax during long trips. And let's not forget the padded headrest, offering an extra level of coziness for those naptime moments. Join us as we uncover the incredible features that make car seat model B an excellent choice for your travel adventures with your baby. As we wrap up this video, let's recap the key features of both car seat models we discussed. Car seat model A shines with its lightweight design, easy installation, and compact foldability. On the other hand, car seat model B impresses with its FAA approval, adjustable recline positions, and padded headrest for extra comfort. Now it's time to make a decision based on your travel needs and budget constraints. Consider the features that matter most to you and prioritize your baby's safety and convenience while traveling. Remember, an informed choice will ensure a worry-free journey for both you and your little one. Safe travels.